What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you every single way on how you can get Rev-Points on the Revolut app. So let's get started. Also, if you want to get a free stock worth up to $100, euros or pounds, you can use my promo code from the description below and create an account with Trading212, then use my promo code in the promo code section and your free stock will be credited to your account. And now let's get started. So right here I'm on the Rev-Points tab on the Revolut, so we'll go over through every way on how you can get more Rev-Points. So if we scroll down, here you have the first option, that being challenges. So Revolut offers a few challenges that you can complete to get Rev-Points from them. So here are all the challenges that they currently have available. Now the second one is by stays. So if you book a stay with a partner of Revolut, you will get a discount and you will also get some Revolut points, as you can see right here. So if let's say I book this location right here, I will get a discount and also 65 Rev points for booking with a Revolut partner. Now you also have a lot of different options and each one gives a different amount of Rev points. So the same also applies for the experiences tab. So let's move on to the third option. Now under the earn Rev-Points tab right here, we already covered the stays tab, we already covered the challenges, and we also have a spare change option. Now you can also buy Rev-Points, so with each €1 you spend for buying Rev-Points, you get 50 Rev-Points. And you can also increase this as much as you like. So this might be the easiest way of obtaining Rev-Points, if that's what you're looking for. So let's move over to the last way. Now the last way that you can earn Rev-Points is using the points stacker. So if you deposit about $2,500, you will get 2,700 points a year. And this is the minimum amount that you can deposit for this option. So this is how it works. Now you would need just to keep a minimum balance of 2,500 euros and you will receive your Rev points daily. And also that amount is not locked up, so you can withdraw your money anytime you wish. And you can also increase this up to the 100 euros mark. 100,000 euros mark. And that wraps up every single way that you can earn Rev points on the Revolut app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.